The drug substances exist in different forms like amorphous form, polymorphic form, crystalline form you can say, and these are also available in the solvates and hydrate forms. The solvates and hydrate forms are generally known as pseudopolymorphs. This video will let you know regarding the reasons behind making the pseudopolymorphs. So welcome to the video on topic why are solvates made for the drugs. Solvates are intentionally or unintentionally formed during the drug synthesis or drug development when the drug substance or API crystallizes in the presence of solvent. This solvent may be the organic solvent or it may be the water. Incorporating one or more solvent molecules into its crystal lattice will lead to formation of the solvate. These solvents are entrapped in the crystal. So these are called as hydrates when the solvent is water, and these are called as solvates when there is a solvent. These are generally called as pseudopolymers. So why there is a need or what are the advantages behind the solvates? So solvates are made to improve the solubility and dissolution rate. Some of the hydrate forms are more soluble. Some solvates have high solubility compared to their anhydrous form or non-solvated forms. So improved solubility can lead to better dissolution, better bioavailability. So especially for the poorly soluble drugs like BCS class 2 or 4, solvates can help to improve the solubility. To enhance crystallinity and purity, solvates may crystallize more readily from the solution than the anhydrous form, aiding purification. So help in removing impurities during selective crystallization. Third one is to improve the stability. So as we know, the formulations and drug substances are required to be stable. So improving the stability is important. Certain solvates can be thermodynamically more stable than the anhydrous form or amorphous forms. So for better physical and chemical stability under defined storage conditions, the solvates are made. Another reason is to aid in formulation processability. Some solvates may have better flow properties, better compressibility, particle morphology. So these help in the formulations like tablets or capsules, powders, sachets, or other. Then to obtain the patented form. So if any drug is patented, then scientists make it into another form by making the solvates. Pharmaceutical companies may develop and patent a unique solvate form like dapagliflozin propanediol monohydrate form is there. This is for information, only for your understanding. So there will be a intellectual property protection and product differentiation. So the example I have given for dapagliflozin, you can learn from many other examples. And then the reason is as a result of crystallization solvent. So sometimes solvates form unintentionally when solvent like ethanol, methanol, isopropanol and many others are used during the crystallization process. If the solvate has desirable properties, it may be intentionally developed further. So during the drug synthesis, drug molecule development, different solvates can be tried, pseudopolymorphs can be tried, hydrate forms can be tried and studied if they have any improvement. Important considerations for the solvates. Solvate must be fully characterized by techniques, analytical techniques like XRD, DSC, TGA, FTIR, NMR. Then regulatory agencies require toxicological assessment for the solvates, and especially it is for the organic solvents. Solvate are entrapped into the molecule, so solvent content must be within the guidelines like ICH-Q3C limits for the residual solvents. Examples: dapagliflozin propanediol monohydrate has improved stability and bioavailability. Ranitidine hydrochloride ethanol solvate is a known solvate used in the drugs and use in the past. Cefuroxime acetyl acetone solvate is formed during the processing. So different solvates, different pseudopolymers, different hydride forms have different properties, and sometimes these are intentionally prepared to have the better drugs. Thank you for watching the video.